footstep rest on sacred ground. The bassline roll a holy song. In the yard, in the yard, we chant till the morning come. In the yard, in the yard, heartbeat of the drum. Heartbeat of the drum.
Slow, but the work ain't done. Sweat on my brow like a loaded gun. Dreams don't grow when the hands don't play. You can talk all night, but the doers pay. Doers pay. Doers pay.
gold on the sand so fine. Palm trees swaying like they're dancing in time. Ocean whispers secrets to the shore. I never knew I could ask for more. Feeling Irie right now. Ooh. No worries, no how. Ooh. Let the rhythm show you how. Ooh. Feeling Irie right now. Clouds roll slow like they're sipping the breeze. Birds up high singing tunes with ease. The air tastes sweet like sugar cane. Every step I take breaks my chain. Got no clock, got no care. Just this beat and the salty air. Feeling Irie right now. Bassline walk you to the moon. Let the drums talk in a rhythm tune. Skank your soul till you find your ground. Lost but found in this reggae sound. Feeling Irie right now. Ooh. No worries, no how. Ooh. Let the rhythm show you. Trade winds blow, shadows dance on the earth below. Hold on, let the feeling grow. Echoes roll deep from the bassline's heart. Every beat a pulse pulling worlds apart. Hold on, my spirit flies. Hold on, no need for ties. Hold on, the rhythm replies. Hold on, just close your eyes. In the dark there's truth in every delay.
sun dips low behind the hill. Time stands still, it always will. Your laughter echoes through the trees, a melody riding the breeze. Love you forevermore, through every wave and every shore. Love you forevermore, like the ocean's endless roar. Moonlight dances on your skin. The night is ours, let it begin. Stars above, they hum a tune, a rhythm born beneath the moon. Hold me close, don't let me go. Feel the beat, let it flow. Love you forevermore, through every wave and every shore. Love you forevermore, like the ocean's endless roar. Roots grow deep like olive seeds, strong and steady, fulfilling the need. Through the storm, through the rain, we rise again, we rise again. Mind a search through the smoke and haze, lost in the rhythm of these endless days. A heartbeat skips like a stone on the sea, chasing the shadows, but they're chasing mind a search. Where do I go? Through the fire, through the flow. Mind a search, I need to know a path of light, a seed to grow. The wind whispers secrets the stars won't tell. A drumbeat echoes like a distant bell. The night is thick, the air is deep. Truth is a river I wait not keep. Is it here or is it gone? Am I right? Am I wrong? restless soul. The rhythm heals what the world has stole. A journey inward, a spiral wide. The answer hides where the heart resides. Sky turns red. I hear the earth, it hums in my head. Footsteps on the sand, whispers on the breeze. Every beat of life, it sets me at ease. My soul trees sway slow in the evening glow. Shadows dance where the cool winds blow. I find my peace in the roots so deep. A melody grows where the spirits keep. My soul drums like thunder roll and play. Bassline's heartbeat leads the way. Echoes stretch, they kiss the night. Dub vibrations, pure delight. My soul sings for the rising tide.
sky turns gray, but the sun still hides. The river runs slow, but it won't divide. Feet in the dust, I keep my stride. A heavy load, but I wear it with pride. Never give up hope, it's in your hands. Rise like the waves, reclaim your lands. Never give up hope, the fire's alive. Through the storm, we will survive. Shadows creep, but the light still burns. Wheels may stall, but the world still turns. Lost in the dark, I'll find my way. The rhythm of life keeps fear at bay. Listen to the wind, it's calling your name. Feel the earth below, it's part of the same. Never give up hope, it's in your hands. Rise like the waves, reclaim your lands. Never give up hope, the fire's alive. Through the storm, we will survive. The roots run deep, the branches sway. The night won't last, comes the break of day. Whispers of strength in the breeze, they stay. We keep moving, come what may.
All people shuffle slow, they don't care. Life's a breeze in the rocking chair. Wrinkles tell stories the young never hear. The clock ticks loud, but they don't fear. Old people, moving to a rhythm so simple. Old people, where wisdom like a ripple. They sip their tea like it's holy wine. Every sip a moment, every moment divine. They laugh at the young,
love's beyond compare. We're all connected, no matter where. The rhythm's a river we all must share. Footsteps in the sand, they fade away. The sun's a drum, it plays all day. Shadows stretch, then melt to gray. The wind whispers, the ocean hums. A heart beats steady, the journey dusty street. Cool breeze kissing where the sun can't meet. Yaad talk rolling like thunder. Every word pulling me under. Yaad talk, tell me what I need. Roots grow deep but my soul stay free. The drum speaks louder than my doubt. Every beat turn my worries out. Raindrops tapping on the zinc roof tin. The sound of life keeps pouring in. Yaad talk rolling like thunder. Every word pulling me under. Yaad talk, tell me what I need. Roots grow deep but my soul stay free. Echoes calling from the hills so high. Moonlight dances with the firefly. The rhythm hold me in a trance so wide. One love beating where the stars collide. Yaad talk rolling like thunder. Every word pulling me under. Yaad talk, tell me what I need. Roots grow deep but my soul stay free. The sun dips low where the ocean sleeps. The breeze hums soft through the mango trees. Your laugh, it dances like a tambourine. A rhythm so sweet it splits the seams. You make my soul sway, sway and shine. You make my soul feel divine. Oh, you make my soul sway like waves that never fade away. Your touch is warm like the island sand. Each moment slips like a grain in hand. Your eyes hold storms but they never harm. They pull me in like a sailor's charm. I'm lost but found, I'm whole, I'm free. The world's a song.
flowing back